So Shalang has a question. These people caught a thief some days back in their locality, and there were two guys. So he and his friend were trying to control him. They took him down, and they were trying to control him by just grabbing or just pressing him against the ground. And in spite of that, the person kicked those people and he escaped. Okay, so Shalang, can you demonstrate like how you people?
Yes, I would like to demonstrate.
Yeah. So Aditya, come in the picture. I'll hold the cam.
So we put this thing down and we pressed our knee against his back and hold his neck like this. But his hands were open and he was able to kick in our face and escape.
Okay, so Aditya, stay down. And now Shalang, you hold the camera. So I'll demonstrate what can be done in such cases. So if you already successfully taken the person down, then instead of just holding like this, it's not going to apply any pressure on their joint lock. Okay, it's not going to hurt. So in this case, it can. I will show a joint lock called as Waki Gatame. So which can be done on both the sides. Now this arm is here. So one thing what can be done is apply the pressure on the shoulder, pull the hand up, or the Waki Gatame is lying completely on him, apply the weight on him, hold his arm and pull it up. Okay, so the pressure can be applied on the shoulder as well as on the elbow. So from here, the moment you pull, see, he's shouting. So the moment you feel the pain, you tap against the floor. Tap. Okay. See. So in spite of that, as you said, the thief tried to kick. Okay. So you come this side. So the moment you feel that the person is trying to kick from there, kick. I grabbed his leg. Okay. Now he's in control again. So if I want to break his elbow, actually I can break completely. I will leave his foot and I can break the elbow completely. Plus his foot is trapped. If it tries to attack with that hand, try to attack with that hand. In fact, I will put that hand as well over here. Okay, so he's completely in control now. Okay, plus if I see, he's shouting. Another thing. Even you can apply pressure on the fingers. So all the joints are in control. Now what you can do? What else? You want to use that leg? So this is how you can apply the joint lock. Going in, countering. So it can be single punch, double punch, plus it can be hammer fist, whatever. Now once he's distracted, once he's hurt, he's not able to resist. Then I grab his arm and then break the elbow. Okay, or if I want to control, I just apply joint lock. I take him down like this on the floor. Okay, I take him completely down on the floor and control him. He's in control. Same technique can be applied against knife attacks. So if he's coming from down like this, so I move out, then I break, take him down again. If you like the technique, if you feel that you learned something, please click on the like button, subscribe the channel, and please share with your friends. Thank you.